Eternal Grace, the elephant's journey of inspirations. Amidst the sprawling landscapes, the elephant reigns as a symbol of strength, unity, and timeless wisdom, offering profound insights that echo through our lives. With each deliberate step, the elephant invites us to embrace life's challenges with the same resilience that carries it through rugged terrains. Just as the herd thrives through unity and cooperation, we too can achieve remarkable feats by supporting one another on our shared journey. The elephant's memory is a testament to our own capacity to learn, adapt, and grow, gathering experiences that shape our understanding of the world. As the elephant guards its young, we also have the privilege of nurturing dreams and fostering an environment of encouragement for those we care for. Just as their deep rumbles echo across the plains, our voices too hold the potential to resonate, connecting hearts and inspiring positive change. Amidst the rhythm of nature, the elephant's wisdom teaches us to gracefully adapt to life's changes, embracing each chapter with strength and resilience. In the quiet moments under the moonlit sky, the elephant's calm presence encourages us to find serenity within ourselves. Like their peaceful demeanor, we can navigate life's challenges with a sense of tranquility, knowing that within the storm, we possess the power to find peace. So, as you journey through life's vast expanse, remember the elephant's lessons. Marching forward with determination, building connections, and embracing challenges with grace. Thanks for watching.